Alright, in our next do-it-yourself project, we're going to attempt to cram bacon into a marshmallow. And you might say, what? How can that even be possible? Well, we're not going to stick a whole bunch of bacon into a bunch of marshmallows. We're actually going to stick one piece of bacon into one marshmallow. And this is our way of doing it. You might have your own way. Experiment, we're going to try to put bacon into a marshmallow. Let's see how it works. Oh, looks like something leaks out when you do it. Gotta watch out for the leaks. Let's see. Did it fit in there? Yep. So that's how you put bacon into a marshmallow. Alright, if this method works for you, then give it a try. If you'd like to feed this puppy, buy things at gearwebsites.com. Thanks for watching.